Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm here with a popular recipe named Mango Mastani. Mango Mastani is Pune's special thick milkshake which is made from ripe mangoes and topped up with ice cream and dry fruits. It's a refreshing drink and is very easy to make. So here we go. To a blender, let's add 1 cup of mango pulp. If you have ripe mangoes, then you can add around 1.5 cup of ripe mangoes. And now for sweetness, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar as per your taste. Now into this around 1.5 cup of thick full cream milk. Let's cover and blend this out. It's done. Now we can pour this milkshake into 2 glasses. For that, first let's drop some chopped mango pieces onto the bottom of the glass, like this. And then pour in our milkshake. You have to leave some space for the ice cream. Here it is. Now goes in our 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Now let's top up with some chopped mangoes. And some dry nuts, some pistachios on top, some almonds, and some chocolate pieces. If you want, you can add some colorful sprinkles also. It's up to you. And then I'm going to garnish with some glazed cherries. It's ready. I'm sure you guys will really enjoy this refreshing drink. It's thick and goes perfectly with a scoop of ice cream. Thanks for watching and make sure you like, subscribe and see you in my next video.